Yodelay-hoo, Danny in Switzerland.
This is Korean ramen, and this Korean Chinese version ramen. These two. And alcohol drink, soju. Snack with drink to chopstick. Let's go.
Hello world, wake me up to another good morning, time to go. Got that smile upon my face, cause there's excitement.
Hello guys, this is Danny in Switzerland. Now we are about to little picnic around our house, and as soon as we out of our house, it starts to rain. What a life.
Oh, we are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for adventure.
Okay, we found some good place under the tree, so let's figure it out. Oh, we found another good tree.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
You've tamed the voices in your head. You've put your courage to the test. Laid all your doubts to
So now I'm eating.
your mind is further than before. Your heart is full and wide. Your future's at the door.
Next, this is
You got
kim, seaweed.
hesitate. You've been waiting all your life.
So delicious.
This is your moment.
So this is Korean traditional drink, most famous in Korea, called soju, and this one 17% of alcohol in it. With ramen drinking, it's so good. Little bit.
So shine on. And every time you hit the wall, remember you can have it all, even the mighty fall. It's
Okay, so that was it for today, and thanks for watching, you guys, and see you next time. Cheers!